This is what you expect to see when you come out into the woods for some nature therapy. I remember being, God, just a little kid when I'd go down to my Pawpaw Smith's. I'd go out in the woods and just stay out there all day. There's just a tranquility out here in the woods that you can't get anywhere else. You can get in touch with nature. It's so amazing. But this is not what I expected to see. I think I found an old grave, or at least just refuse from the cemetery that's out here. This is wild. The stone that says mother. You can see here all this stuff piled up, and it looks like it's either collapsed or they just piled it up. I think they just piled it up that way. I see some cables and stuff. And here's a tombstone. Not what you'd expect to see out in the woods. DeRoy. It's got the cross, IHS. Wow, with a carving of a rosary draped around it. Oh, that is beautiful. Another. Oh, man. Let's see if I can see what it says. Oh. Oh, wow. What does it say? It says Floman A. DeRoy, October 15th, 1906 to May of 1971. So that's not really that old. I mean, that's like maybe 45 years old. 40, no, it's closer to 50. But it's not like an ancient 1800s grave out here. And one down here, I was talking to my brother on the phone because I wanted somebody to know I was out in the woods. I didn't want to just go and not tell anybody. This is wild. Old vaults. This is what goes in the grave, and the coffin goes in the vault. That one's broken open. You can kind of see in it. Kind of. There. Oh God, no, you're not moving that. Or at least I'm not. So there's 1, 2. There's a few more over here. That's my water jug. There's nothing special there. God, gotta be careful stepping out here. Oh yeah, that's a good way to bust your butt. Use this tree for a handle. At least 1, 2, at least 4 more broken vaults out here. You can get a good view up in that one. Whoa. Oh, it's all the way through. Oh my God. Nothing in there but sludge, water. There we go. It is hot out here, and the mosquitoes are thick. There's some more brick. Yeah, it's wedged in there. I don't feel like digging it out. My luck, I'll end up getting bitten by something. I would love to pry the top of that vault off though, just to get a look inside that one that's intact. I think that'd be pretty cool. Okay. I'm just going to continue to walk around out here, get me a little nature therapy. I'd encourage you to do the same. It's a big part of mental health, mental wellness. Getting out in the woods, getting in touch with nature. Just being one with the world out here, man. I'm not going to stay very long. It's hot and the bugs, like I said, the bugs are thick. So maybe I've already been out about 20, 30 minutes. And I'm not very far out in the woods, maybe 100 yards. But I'm going to go ahead and bring it on in. But if I see anything else kind of cool or out of the way here, I'll make a little video of it and keep y'all posted. All right, I'm out. Bye.